As you know, we are on the adventure of AJ90JS challenge, and I hope you are doing great from your side as well with honesty. Remember, be honest and put your real hard work into this challenge. Today's challenge was a bit of brain teaser for me. By the way, here is the to-do list for today. Ignore my handwriting because I am writing just like my typing speed. Anyways, let's get into the adventure of JavaScript. I solved a code wars problem. The problem was that find the middle element of an array. That means suppose if you have three elements like 20, 10 and 30. So you need to find the middle element. That means 10 is a maximum number or greater number and 10 is the smaller number. So we need to find the middle, that is 20, and return that index. Means return the index of the 20. So that was not easy for me. I put my around 2 hours in this question. I follows two approach. First approach was got failed. My first approach was find the average of those three numbers and get the middle element. I did well, but I did not find any mathematics or math function to find the exact middle number of the from the array according to the average. So I got failed in this approach. Then I follow the second approach. In the second approach, I first sort those array using sort method and get the second element from the array, right? And now we can easily get the index of that element from the original array. Here is the key challenges from this question. The first one was that how to shallow copy of an array. The second was that the sort method in JavaScript itself. And the last one is that index of method in JavaScript. If you are not solving any question, then don't worry, it will take some time because first of all you have to know some basic idea or basic concept of JavaScript. Then you can easily solve this question by putting your hard work. We'll make a video on it, how to solve code word problem. So stay tuned and we'll back to you very soon. Then I read books. There is nothing special in this book till now, but there is a special keyword known as ECMAScript. ECMAScript is the standard of JavaScript. That means it regulates the JavaScript. That means what will be the official feature of JavaScript and what will be the APIs and array method and string method will be supported for JavaScript. So basically it's a regulatory body of JavaScript. Then I read a blogs. Then I read a date object in JavaScript because one of my project. Believe it or not, date object is the most confusing topics in JavaScript. Confusing just because of the terms like what is GMT, UTC, time zone, timestamps and their 7 arguments and need to convert millisecond to second, second to minute, minute to hour, hour to date, etc. etc. Oof. That's most confusing topics in JavaScript, right? I think that's why they are creating new temporal API for date and time in JavaScript. It is not standardized yet, but I hope it will be official feature in JavaScript very soon. For now, just accept date object in JavaScript. I did couple of more things like I maintain my GitHub repository, then I make videos for you, then I post a Twitter threads for you or Twitter post for you. I also went to gym since today is Sunday, which means we have off day. So yeah, that was some challenges I faced at the first day of the AJ90JS challenge. Let me know what obstacles or challenges you faced on the first day of this challenge.